Breitling, they have a unique DNA. This watch has come about as a collaboration between Breitling, the Ocean Conservancy and Outerknown. My name's Paul Lewis. I'm a senior science professional for Burrells the Jewellers in the beautiful city of Winchester. In 2018, Breitling announced a partnership with the Ocean Conservancy, a non-governmental organisation dedicated to the global fight for the health of our oceans and the quality of our beaches. The Outerknown brand is a fabric and clothing brand using all repurposed materials, founded by surfing legend Kelly Slater, and has a goal for sustainability. Back in 1957, the Superocean Heritage, designed to be the sort of perfect partner for adventurers and people that wanted to use them in water sports and diving, etc. But I think for me, the Superocean Heritage is great looking on, if you're wearing a wetsuit, but also if you're sat on a beach with your Hawaiian shirt on and a cocktail, it equally looks as good and as smart. Over the years, it's become a real classic watch, and there is a look in the Superocean Heritage that will suit most wrists. What's different about the watch we have here today, there's a slight variation in the colour of the dial here. The case back has been engraved with the Ocean Conservancy logo, and the watch is supplied with two NATO straps made of econyl yarn, which is an innovative material, and it's been repurposed from nylon waste, the source of which is from fishing nets in oceans around the world. So you're taking that horrible product that's causing so much damage and putting it to good use. Every one of the 1,000 watches that have been produced, part proceeds of that purchase will go towards the Ocean Conservancy. So not only are you buying a beautiful timepiece, you're doing some good in the world as well. For those of us who are really into our watch collecting and like special limited editions, I think we know nowadays 1,000 pieces is quite a small number. So this is a great opportunity to get one of a really quite a rare watch when you think about that globally. One final really cool thing about this watch is the packaging. Now, we shouldn't get too excited about the packaging. Our money should be going on the watch, but Breitling have produced this watch made from 100% recycled materials, which is then recyclable again. So they really thought about the whole thing together with their Ocean Conservancy partnership. Just a bit different for Breitling, and I think it's quite cool. I think I've said before, I've always been a fan of the Superocean Heritage and been lucky enough to own one in the past. Just a good looking watch, and something a little bit different. As always, I'm always searching for that something that's a little bit different. The retail price of this watch is £4,880, which I think for a limited edition is, and the quality of this watch is good value. If you're interested in buying one of these watches, the first thing I'd say is get your skates on, don't hang around. With only 1,000 pieces, if you're interested in coming and have a look, please come and speak to me in Burrells in Winchester, or you can contact us via our website.